Hi, join us for a fun, cheap weekend afternoon in Southwest DC near the Wharf on this week's DC Detour. There's plenty you could do for free in DC, but this afternoon our family wanted to try something different. We start at the Wharf in Southwest DC, but we're not going to try out the eateries or shops today. You can see our upcoming video about that. We have another plan in mind for a cheap day. We're heading straight for the recreation pier, which is about halfway through the main drag. Passing all the yachts and luxury liners by the dock can make you want to set sail, but we found a way to get on the water without even opening our wallets. On weekends, there is a free little water shuttle called the Wharf Jitney, which will take you across the channel on a short boat ride. Thank you.
Sure.
It's a calm, peaceful ride that we wish would last longer. And it's totally free. Our ride was really only about 5 minutes. We land on the other shore at the East Potomac Park, where the extensive grounds make you feel far from the district. Okay, thanks.
Sure, take care.
There's a little mini golf course, which is the oldest in the U.S., and an 18-hole golf course as well. But we're not here to golf today. We're headed past the tennis courts to the picnic tables and the shade. We packed a picnic lunch to enjoy in the outdoors, but you could also pick up something at the wharf before you come. We could take the jitney back across the water, but we're choosing to get a different view of the area by walking across the bridge. It's only about a 20-minute walk back to the wharf. There's a wide pedestrian lane along the side. With the Washington Monument on one side and the view of the wharf on the other, it gives us a different, slower perspective on a district commute. We looked on the municipal fish market and the rest of the wharf from a new perspective. Who knew there was a rooftop garden up here? There's plenty of time to stroll the wharf or get a treat. Stay tuned for the full wharf video. Enjoy your detour.